Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from BePrimo. Today, I want to introduce to you a special friend of ours, Jordan Tomasone. He's all about building a better self and travels all around the world. You can check out his channel here. Today, Jordan is going to share with us how he's able to make friends when he travels alone. So without further ado, we'll pass the mic to him.
Hey yo! Thanks for having me. I am honored to be working with BePrimo on this collaboration video. You guys rock. I love this one. It is something that I struggle with while traveling. I go through a lot of ups and downs with it. I've learned a few things along the way, and I want to share those with you now. Flying solo is amazing. You have no one telling you what to do or when to do it. Best of all, no one else to worry about besides yourself. It is just you. This is why I travel alone, but sometimes I get lonely, and I get jealous of other people having fun. I often think, I want to be hanging with those people. They look like a lot of fun. But before we can go and make new friends, we need to have purpose as to why we want new friends. For me, it is that I want to have fun and enjoy an experience with some cool new people. Yes, I can have fun on my own, but I enjoy the way others have fun, and then I don't have to work as hard to have fun. I can just follow along. So find your why. Maybe you're nervous to take the transit by yourself, or you like to eat with someone. Maybe you're interested in where people are from and why they are here. These are examples, but you need to give your brain some purpose. Otherwise, you will not overcome your fears. If you want to meet people and make comfortable situations with them, you have to overcome your fears. The best way to do this is to stop and realize they are in the same position you are in, especially if they are solo. If you are nervous to make friends, they are too. This is a perfect time to use this to your advantage. If you see someone alone and you want to talk to them, you can open with, "Hey, I am traveling solo and thought you might be too. Have you met any cool people yet?" The person receiving this is going to think, "Wow, this person just opened up their life to me. I feel the same way, and I respect them for having the courage to do this." This causes them to relate to you, which then builds the relationship. They will respond with something like, "Yes, I am solo," or "No, my friends are in their rooms," and "Yes, we have," or "I have met some people, and we're actually going to the beach tonight. You should come." Now, this is just an example. Remember, you could always get rejected. Now, if it is a group and you have a fear to approach them, you want to do a little bit of people watching before you jump in. This is perfectly normal. Do you buy fruits and veggies without looking at them first? Same goes with people. Listen in and see if it is a conversation you might want to be in, and if you can participate in any way. Once you see that you can add value to the group, find an open spot. A spot where they will see you. You don't want to sneak in from behind. That's creepy. Once you nestle in, simply ask, "Hey guys, mind if I join you?" Most groups are going to say yes because you asked, and it takes more energy to say no. If you don't fit in and it feels weird, then you can leave, and they will continue their night. So when you approach a group, think of it as if you're adding value to the group. You being you will add more value to their night than them not having you. The best thing about this is they are not your high school friends. There is no pressure to impress them. You just want to have fun. Let me tell you about a time where I had fun with a group in New York City. I saw a few people playing hacky sack in Central Park, and I love hacky sack. I watched them for a bit to analyze the group dynamic and decided that I would be a good fit for their group. I walked up and said, "Hey guys, do you mind if I join in?" They were like, "Yeah, for sure." Boom. Now this is a bit easy because all I had to do was be decent at hacky. But then we ended up sitting and enjoying a picnic together. This is where having some social skills helped me. But I also did not put a lot of pressure on myself to be talking lots. There were many times when I would just sit, watch, and listen. Yes, this seems a bit creepy, but truthfully, that is what happened. So here is how they might have seen the experience. This group went to the park to hang out. They were doing just that. They made a new friend, me, and they continued to hang out at the park. All I did was add fun. So don't think that you are bothering people. Instead, you are adding more fun or value to them. Now that you know how to break the ice, let's talk about how to keep the comfortable feeling going so you don't fizzle away and end up alone all night. The best way to keep things comfortable is to ask questions, either one-on-one or in a group. This will put all of the pressure on the other people. Now, all you have to do is listen and remind them that you are listening with small words like, yeah, okay, cool. If you are in a group, sometimes just being there is enough. Eventually someone will ask you something, or you will find something to say. The energy will be good because everyone is there to have fun, so it will naturally come out of you as well. Here are some reminders to keep you going and making all the friends you want. You will always have awkward moments. Some people will not become your friends. You are in the same spot that they are. No need to stress. Have fun, and if you see other people having fun, join them. Do you, and you will find friends. You will be lonely at times. The environment you are in will affect your experience. Be open-minded. Why do you want new friends, and why do you want these experiences? Thanks, BePrimo, for having me.
Thank you, Jordan, for sharing your insights. There's a lot of valuable information in there, and if you're looking for more like that, be sure to check out his channel and subscribe. Thanks again, everyone, for watching. Leave a comment if you've ever made a friend while traveling solo. Like, subscribe, and remember to be primo.